cô vào.
Hello, Laura.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Evening.
Wait a minute. I will fix my chair. Because my space is very small. And teacher is very big. That's why I have to fix my chair. Okay. So, hi, Laura.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good that you are fine. All right. So, well, how was your day today? What did you do?
I'm go to school and I learn, I eat, and I sleep.
Okay, very good. Because sleeping in the afternoon is very good for your health. Okay. So now, Laura, let's begin our lesson for tonight. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the first activity for tonight is about speaking, okay?
Okay.
All right. So let's begin. All right, so Laura, introduce about yourself. Okay, so the first part will be introduce about yourself. Okay, now tell me first, what's your name?
What?
You have to introduce yourself first. Let's try. What's your name?
My name is Laura.
Now, tell me about your favorite book or comic.
I favorite
Mm.
Seed.
Again?
Seed.
Seed. What's that?
Yeah.
Shin. Yeah, I remember. That is Gray Shin-chan, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, now, why do you like that comic?
Because it's funny.
Yeah, because it's very funny, okay, and that's nice. Now, why do you like it? Aside from being funny, why do you like it?
Because I like it.
Because
I like that.
because you like that. Okay. Well, aside from Shin, what else is your favorite comic? Aside from Shin.
It, it's many.
It's many, okay. But your favorite is that comics about Shin, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's go to the next one. All right, so here, Laura, you can see here two pictures, okay? Now I want you to tell me the differences between the two. All right, start now.
Mm,
What do you think are the differences between the two pictures? What do you think is the difference between the two pictures? Okay, you got
yes.
you got two. What else? Okay, 3, 4.
I'm finished.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, now Laura, can you explain your answers, please?
Picture one. The boy is carry a ice cream. Picture two. The boy is carry a car.
Carrying cars.
Picture one. In the bag has a book. Picture two. In the bag have a guitar.
Have a guitar.
Picture
Okay.
one under the car not have a water. Picture two under the car have a water. Picture one have 4 flowers, but picture two have 5 flowers. Picture one, the weather is sunny. Picture two, the weather is
What? What's
uh,
that weather?
picture one is day. Picture two is night.
Okay. So in picture number 1, the weather is sunny or it's on a daytime. And then the picture number 2, it's on night. Right? Okay,
Yes.
so let's check your answers if that's correct. Okay, so here, the first one is a sunny day, and then the next one is a rainy season, but it can be also night because it's color gray. The sky is gray, right? Now,
Yes.
next one, 4 flowers and 5 flowers. That's correct. Red and white scarf, and blue and white scarf, and then the book and the guitar, the ice cream and the bottle, and then you said the water below the wheel, right? Below the tire.
Yes.
That is also correct. So very good, Laura. Okay, because you got a perfect score of 5 points for the first activity. Okay, next one. Look at these pictures. So it says here, Laura, tell something about the pictures. No. You are going to make a story out of the 4 pictures. So the first one, tell me something. You have to make your own story.
What? Um, um, picture one, the baby bird is under the tree and the mom bird is on the tree and they very sad because the mom bird is cannot look, cannot see a baby bird and have a plan and the man is run with the plane and the bird see and the bird is sat under the plane and the plane is fly and the bird is and the mom bird it can see a baby bird and they very happy.
Okay, very good. So let's see. Okay. Oh, where's my mouse? Okay, so this is the story suggestion, okay? This baby bird wants to be in the tree with its mother, but it can't fly. So next one, a man's waiting for a helicopter. It's coming down in the field. The baby bird's running to the helicopter. Now the man sitting in the helicopter. The baby bird's on the helicopter. The helicopter is flying up again. Now the helicopter is flying above the tree and the baby bird's jumping off the helicopter. It's its mother's very happy. Okay. You're correct because on picture number 1, as you can see, the mother bird is looking for her baby, right?
Yes.
She's looking for the baby. And then on the second picture, the baby bird is trying to ride on the helicopter. So next, the picture number 3, the man was able to ride the helicopter and then the baby bird also has the chance to ride to the helicopter. And then fortunately, the man was able to, what do you call this one? To send the baby bird in the tree with his mother. Okay, very good, Laura. All right, so next one, Laura. What do you call this one? Tell me the difference between the first picture and the first line. Which one there is different and why?
Picture 1 is a book
Okay, why? Why do you think book is the answer?
because lemon, pineapple, and orange is a fruit.
Okay, very good. They are fruits. Okay, how about picture number line number 2?
A chick
Oh, oh no, the answer is elephant. Why do you think?
because elephant, a mouse, and a rabbit is color is gray.
Yeah, I think this answer is wrong, but your answer is correct because the elephant, the rat, and the rabbit are all color gray, right? Okay,
Yes.
you're correct. Next one, number 3.
A ruler
Okay, picture number 3. So why do you think a ruler is the different one?
because the pen, apple, and the cup is not on the book.
Okay, it's not on the book. They are just next to the book. Very good. Last one, Laura.
The girl is asleep
Okay, picture number 2. Why? Why is this your answer?
because picture 1, picture 3, and picture 4 they is not sleep. They is
Okay.
talking.
All right, very good. Because picture number 1, 3, and 4, they are not sleeping and they are standing up. Okay, good job, Laura. Okay, so that is the end of our first lesson for tonight. Okay, now let's open another one. Okay, so let's continue, Laura. This is our second lesson for tonight. Okay, so can you read the title, Laura?
Last weekend, last week.
Last weekend and last week. Okay. So, okay, now Laura, activity A, it says here, write the places under the pictures. Okay? Can you tell me 7 places that you can find in a town? Okay, now Laura, before you answer that, name 7 places that you can find in a town.
A school,
School,
hospital,
hospital,
a playground,
okay, playground,
a market,
market. How many is that now?
a hospital, school, a market.
What else?
A cinema,
That's 4.
a playground,
5. There's 2 more.
a bookshop, and
That's 6. 1 more.
a cafe.
A cafe. Okay, very good. So those are 7 places that we can see in the town. Okay, now Laura, can you write the name of the picture, the places that you can see in the screen? Can you write it?
Number 2.
You just tell me. Number 2, what's that place?
Number 2 is playground.
Oh, no, that's not a playground. That is a park.
Number 3.
So what is number 3?
A house.
Okay, a house is correct. Number 4?
Cinema.
Very good. The cinema. Next one.
Shop.
Number 5 is?
A shop.
Okay, shops. Okay, that is correct.
Swimming pool.
Okay, a pool. And last one, that is?
A school.
Okay, that is a sports center, but also it looks like a school, right? Maybe that can also be a school. or a gymnasium. Okay, so very good, Laura. Okay, next one. It says here, write the places under the pictures. What can you see in picture number 3, Laura?
I can see a house.
Okay, that is a house. Now, does this house look like your house?
No.
Oh, no.
No.
So it's different. It looks different than unlike your house. Your house looks different like that?
No.
Okay, so next one. What can you see in picture number 5?
Shop.
Okay, shop. Very good. So now, do these shops look like the shops in your town?
No.
No? Oh, why? Why does it look different?
Because I not see this shop look like my shop in my town.
Okay. So you were not able to see those shops that look like that in your town. Okay, so it means that shop looks different in your place.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. A place you went to yesterday. So this is an example. I was at the shop yesterday. So how about you, Laura? What place did you went to yesterday?
A swimming pool.
Oh, you went to the swimming pool yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So why did you swim yesterday?
What?
Why did you swim yesterday? Do you feel hot? Or is it part of your school?
Because I like.
Because you like swimming. Where did you swim, Laura?
There's swimming pool in my street.
Okay. So the swimming pool is just near your house. It's in your street. Okay.
Yes.
So next one. What is your favorite place to go to?
A cinema.
You like going to the cinema?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Why? Why do you like going to the cinema?
Because I can see many film.
You can see a good film. So what's your favorite film, Laura?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why? You know what? Teacher likes to watch creepy or horror films. I like watching that.
Oh.
Okay, now this is the example. My favorite place is the park. I love going for a walk there. Okay, so next one. A place near your home. So what place is near your home, Laura?
I don't know.
Example, a cinema is near your house, or a shop is near your house. What do we see near your house, Laura?
A swimming pool.
Okay. So there is a swimming pool near your house. Okay, so here's the example. There's a cinema near my house. All right. So now, Laura, let's answer this one. What do you think is in the first box? You go to these places to buy things like food or clothes.
A shop.
Okay, very good. That is a shop or a grocery store. Okay, so number 2. This is a place where people can play tennis, badminton, or basketball.
Mm, a spa country.
What do you call that?
A spa country.
Okay, a sport complex or a gymnasium is correct. So number 3, people swim and play in the water in this.
A swimming pool.
Okay, very good. A swimming pool. And last one, people who are not well sometimes come here.
A hospital.
Okay, very good. So that is a hospital, but the pictures are different, okay? So
Okay.
yeah, this is wrong because picture number 3 is a hospital. So it's wrong because people cannot swim inside the hospital, right?
Yes.
And then sick people cannot swim because they are sick and they will get sick very much. Okay, so next one, Laura, let's have here. Paul's week. Listen and write one word on each line. Okay, so teacher is going to play an audio file and then you have to answer later on, okay? Let's begin.
33B. Last weekend. Last week. Listen and write where Paul was last week.
Hello, Paul. I didn't see you last week.
Yes, I know, Aunt Daisy. I'm sorry I didn't come and see you.
1.
Where did you go then?
Well, on Tuesday, I was at the swimming pool. I went there with my school friends.
So you went swimming on Tuesday?
Yes.
2.
On Friday afternoon, I went skating. Dad took me there in the car.
At the sports centre?
No, in the park.
Right.
3.
Did you go to the cinema?
No, I didn't. I didn't like any of the films.
I see.
But there was a good film on TV on Saturday. I watched it at home with my brother John.
4.
What about Wednesday? Were you at home that day?
No, I wasn't. I went to the shops.
What? You went shopping?
Yes, Mum bought me some new clothes.
5.
And on Thursday, I went to the hospital.
Oh dear. Why? Were you not well?
No, I went to see my friend's baby sister on Thursday.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so let's answer. Number 1, this is an example. On Tuesday, Paul was at the pool with his school.
Teacher, I cannot listen.
You want to listen one more time?
Yes.
Okay.
33B. Last weekend. Last week. Listen and write where Paul was last week.
Hello, Paul. I didn't see you last week.
Yes, I know, Aunt Daisy. I'm sorry I didn't come and see you.
1,
Where did you go then?
Well, on Tuesday, I was at the swimming pool. I went there with my school friends.
So you went swimming on Tuesday.
Yes,
2,
on Friday afternoon, I went skating. Dad took me there in the car.
At the sports centre?
No, in the park.
Right.
3,
Did you go to the cinema?
No, I didn't. I didn't like any of the films.
I see.
But there was a good film on TV on Saturday. I watched it at home with my brother John.
4,
What about Wednesday? Were you at home that day?
No, I wasn't. I went to the shops.
What? You went shopping?
Yes, Mum bought me some new clothes.
5,
And on Thursday, I went to the hospital.
Oh dear. Why? Were you not well?
No, I went to see my friend's baby sister on Thursday.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so number 1. On Tuesday, Paul was at the pool with his school
Friend.
friends. Very good. Number 2. On Friday afternoon, Paul went
Skating.
skating
Park.
in the park. Very good. Next one, number 3. On Saturday, Paul saw a
Cinema. A film.
what? Saw a
Saw a film
saw a film.
with his brother. With his brother John.
Okay, very good. Saw a film with his brother John. Next one, number 4. On Wednesday, Paul went shopping for
I don't know.
so with his.
I don't know.
Okay, the answer there is went shopping for clothes with his mom. Okay, last one. Paul went to see his friend's baby
Sister.
sister
The park. No. At the play.
at the hospital. All right, so at the hospital is the answer. Okay, wait, let's put a check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Okay, so you got 6 points in this part. Okay, next one, Laura. Now, write where were you last week? Then ask a friend. Okay, let's skip this one. Okay, so now, Laura. On Monday, where were you?
What?
Where were you on Monday? Where did you go?
In the school.
In the school, okay. And then on Tuesday, where are you?
In the school too.
In the school too. And Wednesday?
In the school.
In the school also.
Yes.
And
Thursday and
Mm.
Friday I'm in the school.
okay, very good. So since Monday up to Friday, you are just in the school, right? You are just in the
Yes.
school. Okay, very good. So now let's talk about last weekend. Okay. Now, Laura, you're going to answer these questions and then use the words from the gray circle, okay? So example, last weekend was exciting, okay? So first one, Laura, where were you on Saturday? Or you choose your words there. Boring, exciting.
Um,
So on Saturday, where were you on Saturday? Example, on Saturday, on Saturday you were in the swimming pool, so that is exciting, right? So you're just going to
yes.
say exciting, okay?
Okay.
Again. Where were you on Saturday?
Exciting.
Exciting, okay. Why? Where were you on Saturday, Laura?
What?
Where were you on Saturday? Why do you say it's exciting?
In the school.
Okay, and then what did you do in the school?
School is
What did you do in the school?
great.
Okay, so next one. Who were you with on Saturday afternoon?
My teacher.
Your teacher. Okay, so you are with your teacher on Saturday afternoon. So what word are you going to use? Is it boring? Great? What do you think?
Great.
Okay, it's great. Now, number 3, where did you go on Sunday?
Sunday. I'm in the home.
Oh, you're at home. Okay, so what do you think is that word that you're going to use?
Quiet.
What is that? Quiet.
Yes.
Okay, next one. What was the weather like on Saturday?
Is not hot and not cold.
Oh. So what do you think is that one? Different, great, or terrible? What do you think?
Great.
Best. Okay,
Great.
great. Next one. Tell me more about last weekend. What do you think? Is it exciting?
Exciting
Okay, exciting. Why? Why did you say that it is exciting?
because I play and swim.
You played and swim. That's why you said that it's exciting.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right. So, okay, Laura, that's good. And then let's continue again our lesson on Friday, okay?
Okay.
All right. Goodbye, Laura. See you again.
Bye, teacher. See you again.
Good night.
Bye.